Today I'm going through and I'm changing out all of the fall stuff and starting to work on putting up my Christmas decorations. And so I thought while I was in my attic here, I would show you how I organize my Christmas decorations, because it has taken me a long time to figure out an organization method that works for me and all my holiday gear. And I finally found one that I love. So here it is. Right now it's a little bit crazy in here because I'm right in the middle of moving stuff around. But this is the system that has worked for us. These are, these actually were my dad's. He's an attorney and he used these for client files. So there are these big bins, and I have each of them labeled with what's in there, so that when the season comes, I can just pull it out and everything's in there. Here you can see different seasons, have different drawers. These bins, I'll link to them. They're not the cheapest thing you could buy, but I will tell you, it's much better than stacking these type of bins, in my opinion, because, you know, if you want to get to something on the bottom of that stack, you've got to move all three bins, and that's a pain in the ass. But here, they're all there, everything's labeled, and so I don't need to move a bunch of boxes around to get to what I need. Anyway, just thought I would show you to see if it would hopefully help someone else with an organization idea for your Christmas and holiday.